how to see all the games you have played in Roblox Mobile. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we will guide you through on how we can see all the games we have played on Roblox Mobile. So let's go ahead and look out for how we can find it. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon, and also turn on the notification bell to get updated about our latest videos. So in order to do so, you may just directly head over to the Roblox app. After heading over to the Roblox app, you will be finding different sections here on your home page. So here you will be finding different games here. So in order to look for the option where you need to find out, if you want to find out which game you have played, you're just gonna head over up below and you will be finding Winter Spotlight, for example, which is a festivities going on right now since it is winter. There are different kind of spotlights available each month, but we're just gonna look out for other options here. So here you can also find the people you may know. So these are the people you may know which are recommended since we have mutual friend, but we're looking for the other option. So you can also find recommended for you, but the main option we are looking for right now is this. So here it is continue with playing option here. So these are the games that I've just recently played on my account. You may also look out for the same option here available. These are the games that I've already played in Roblox. You may also follow the same process and look for the continue process in your home page. So here are different accounts available, different games available right now. So these are the games I just played. So that's how you basically find out. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and then thank you for watching this video.